one of the most popular beverages in the world, has a history spanning thousands of years. Its origins are deeply rooted in ancient China, where it is believed to have been discovered around 2737 BCE by Emperor Shen Nong. According to legend, while boiling water, a few leaves from a nearby tea tree blew into his pot, creating the first cup of tea. Fascinated by its refreshing taste and medicinal properties, the emperor promoted tea as a health drink. Initially used for medicinal purposes, tea gradually became a daily beverage in China during the Tang dynasty, 618–907 CE. It was around this time that the practice of tea cultivation and preparation evolved into an art form. Lu Yu, a Chinese scholar, wrote the Cha Jing, the classic of tea, the first comprehensive book on tea culture, detailing its cultivation, preparation, and societal importance. Tea made its way to Japan in the 8th century, introduced by Buddhist monks who used it during meditation. Over time, it became a vital part of Japanese culture, leading to the development of the intricate tea ceremony, or cha no yu, during the 15th century. This ritual emphasized harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility, reflecting Zen Buddhist principles. In the 16th century, Portuguese and Dutch traders brought tea to Europe. It quickly gained popularity, particularly in Britain, where it became a symbol of sophistication. By the 18th century, tea had become deeply integrated into British culture, giving rise to the tradition of afternoon tea. To meet the growing demand, the British East India Company established vast tea plantations in India and Sri Lanka, transforming these regions into major tea producers. The global expansion of tea also had significant economic and political implications. The tea trade played a central role in the American Revolution, with events like the Boston Tea Party in 1773 protesting British taxation. Similarly, the opium trade, driven by British efforts to exchange opium for Chinese tea, led to the Opium Wars in the 19th century. Today, tea is grown in over 60 countries, including China, India, Kenya, and Japan. It is consumed in various forms, from green and black teas to herbal infusions, catering to diverse cultural preferences. Tea has not only shaped economies and societies but also continues to be a symbol of hospitality, tradition, and relaxation worldwide. Its rich history reflects the cultural connections and transformations it has inspired over millennia.